To create an auto-deletion report, you must first start with creating a custom report. To access the custom report menu, go to Analytics in the navigation bar, then select Custom Reports from the list. Click the Create button in the top right corner and select Advanced Report. The next step is to create your new auto-deletion report. You'll start by selecting the data source, which is Standard Views. Table/Views should be selected as View Account Contact. The report type should be tabular. You then name your report, add a description, and choose the folder. When you've done these steps, you'll click Save. Now that we're inside our report, we need to add the columns. There are some required columns that you'll need to add to this for it to be an auto-deletion report. The main column you need is contacts.contactID. It's also recommended that you add in the contacts.CRM type. This field can differentiate between a lead and a contact. I also always add the contacts.email field and I click Save. Now for this report to be used as an auto-deletion report, we need to edit the contacts ID column. We remove the word contacts dot and just leave display name of the contact ID, and I'll click Save. The next step for your auto-deletion report is to add your filters to pull out the data that you want to have removed from SugarMarket and from the sync. The first filter we'll add here is to pull in leads, not contacts. You'll create two separate auto-deletion reports, one for leads and one for contacts. My report is for leads, so my first filter, I click the Add New button, CRM type equals lead, and I click Save. When I save the report, I can view the number of records that will be deleted by clicking Run Report and selecting Retrieve Record Count. I'll then add the remainder of my query. I'm going to look for anybody to remove from here with a status that does not equal new. To attain this, click on Edit Your Filter, select And as your operator, contacts.status for field does not equal new. Then I save my report. Go to Run Report and select Retrieve Record Count to see the new total number of records to be deleted. Because I've chosen the status field to query against in my filters, it's recommended that you add the status field as a column to see it in your final report. Actually, any fields that you're clearly against in your filters, please add them as columns as well. This just means when you check your reports before removing the data, you can view the records and the statuses of all the records you've created. To preview your report, click Run Report and select Run Preview. Once you've created your report, don't forget to save it. We can return to reports. You would need to create a report for your contacts using the same method as we just did for leads. Now to apply this report as an auto-deletion report, we'd go to the top right-hand corner of the user menu and select Admin. We would then go to CRM Administrator and select the External Connectors tab and SugarCRM settings. Here we have Database Integrity, Post-Sync Cleanup Reports. On here, I can then choose any report I'd like. Here's my auto-deletion for leads report, and I'd click Save. That will then remove all the records from SugarMarket that are on this report, and any new records that meet the criteria that have a status that does not equal new will also be deleted from SugarMarket. Thanks for watching.